Good morning, wonderful writers. Mrs. Opfer here. And for today's writing workshop opinion question, I have kind of a silly one for you. Ready? What is the worst food to eat with your fingers? I told you it was a silly question. Remember, writers, that we will think, decide, and explain with lots of reasons. Let's check out some choices. Maybe spaghetti is the worst food to eat with your fingers. Oh boy. I'm thinking about some reasons why that might be true. I think it would be very messy. Oh, and it could be really hot to touch too. Maybe yogurt is the worst food to eat with your fingers. Oh, it would feel kind of cold and funny. It would definitely be hard to pick up without a spoon. Those are some good reasons. You know what? Maybe rice is the worst food to eat with your fingers. I don't think it would be very messy. It could be too hot though. And boy, I think it would take you a really long time to eat it, since you would have to pick up each little piece one at a time with your fingers. Wow, maybe that is the worst. You might have a something else vote too. I was thinking this food could be really hard to eat with your fingers. Yep, oatmeal. I really enjoy eating oatmeal, but not with my fingers. Can you think of a reason why? Oh boy, this is a messy one. Let's read our opinion question together. What is the worst food to eat with your fingers? Spaghetti, oh geez, yogurt, rice, something else. Oh boy. Maybe pause the video here, wonderful writers, to make your first two steps. Think and decide. I need some thinking time too. I had enough time to think and decide. When I explain my opinion today, I'm going to tell why, and I want to try and use some of these great opinion words or sentence starters. I think, I like, I feel. And you know what? Today we're not going to use the word best. We're not going to use the word best. We might use the word worst. That's kind of different. Oh my goodness. Here I go. Mrs. Opfer. Okay, now I do need to color in my choice. I'm going to circle it just for now because my crayons are not close by. I'm going to choose spaghetti. Oh, that is going to be one messy picture. What is the worst food to eat with your fingers? I chose spaghetti. Did anyone else agree? Oh, some people did, some people didn't. Oh boy, look how I start my story today. Ooh, nice one finger spacing. In my opinion, oh geez, spaghetti, and that's a really long word, but I can look up here to see how to spell it if I need to, is the worst food to eat. Oh, here's a good snap word. With your fingers. Ugh. Now I'm going to use that really important opinion word. Because. Ooh, say it with me. Because it is so hot. It could burn your, yeah, that wouldn't be good, hands. So I would never eat spaghetti with my fingers. Okay, I want to give another reason. Also, the red sauce
will make. Make? What do you think I might say for my reason? Yeah, will make I'm going to use all capitals here to show some emphasis. Will make a huge mess! Exclamation point. In my opinion, spaghetti is the worst food to eat with your fingers because it is so hot. It could burn your hands. Also, the red sauce will make a huge mess. Wow, I tried to give lots of reasons and details to support my opinion. I still need to color in my little picture box, and I might make a picture of me like with a sad face and a bowl of spaghetti with no fork. I feel like that would really match my opinion story well. Writers, it's time for you to get started. We can't wait to hear all about your opinions. See you soon.